off the bendo like it's hopscotch. My nigga in the kitchen and he whipping in the pot.
Hey guys, Khaled TV here, and we are back again with another episode in our tech series. And this time around, this is just going to be a short video. I decided to make this before my next stream because some person made a comment in my video on how to fix the rack keymat with the problem that I had. So last week when I was playing Valorant, I encountered what a few would refer to as the Btgah.903 Syndrome. What this actually do is your keyboard will continuously type Btgah.903, hence the Btgah.903 Syndrome. And I'll show you how it looks like. So it does something like this first, and then it will continuously type Btgah.903 non-stop. And the only way you can terminate this is if you will press function plus F10. And regardless if you terminated the loop, you still cannot use the keyboard. So while I was playing, the backlit of my keyboard, the lights of my Razer Black Widow did not turn on anymore. So that being said, in my mind I was already thinking that something happened to my keyboard. So I tried to search and look for troubleshooting and tips, and there's only few resources about it. So may this video help others out. And I also decided to make this video because as what I have said earlier, one person commented on the video here. So in his case, his rack keymat XT.2 is continuously typing the, I don't know what this is a tilde? I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 and so on. And the only way he can terminate it is the function plus escape. So this is kind of the same as what I have experienced because the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 reflects to the Btgah.903, and the function plus escape terminates to function plus F10 in my case, and how I terminated the loop. There's few things that might have been the cause on my Btgah.903. The first one is that if you spilled a little amount of liquid on your keyboard, then it will screw the insides of it, hence enabling the Btgah.903. So the next one, a lot of people are saying that the cause of it is when you accidentally uninstalled the Razer Synapse software. The funny thing about it is that I've been using my Razer Black Widow for quite a while, and I did not install the Razer Synapse on my unit. So definitely that is not my case. And then third one is that during the game you accidentally press the macro key record button, and it is recording those key press, and now it's activating the macro key that is recorded. So with that being said, the solutions that I was trying, or the troubleshooting tips that I was trying, are the following. First, I tried to install the Razer Synapse software. This actually helped, but ironically it did not. So when I installed the Razer Synapse software, what happened is that my Razer keyboard lit up. So I thought that solved the problem because the keyboard lit up, and when I tried the keyboard, it is still doing the continuous typing of the characters Btgah.903, and there's no way I can use the keyboard. So the next step that I did is I tried to install drivers on different kind of Razer keyboard, and still it didn't work. The last step that I did, that what I also think worked in my case, is I went to the device manager. You just search the device manager in your Windows by pressing the Windows key, and then you will have a window. You will open a window like this. So right in the bat, what I saw is that under human interface devices, there's this exclamation mark in a yellow triangle, and I was thinking that this could have been a driver problem, and it is. So normally what you would see is that if you plug your keyboard, in my case my Razer keyboard, it would be registered under keyboards. Right now you're not seeing it because I unplugged it, because, well, I'm recording this and my unit only has 2 ports. But anyway, that time what happened is that under human interface device, there's this one rogue USB input device registered. So by rogue, what I mean is the triangle. So what I did is I uninstalled it, and after I uninstalled it, I unplugged the Razer keyboard, and then when I plugged it back in, somehow it registered the keyboard here, and I was still unable to use it until I right clicked it and then press update driver and then browse my computer, and then next one is that let me pick a list. After that, when I press that one, there's this list of keyboards here from Razer, and then one of it is the Razer Black Widow Ultimate Stealth 2014. So I double click it, and when the installation succeeded, I was very glad that I can now use the keyboard. So that's pretty much it. That's how I solved my problem, my Btgah.903 syndrome, and I do hope and pray that to others that are experiencing this, these steps will help you. So I think that's it for today, and thank you for watching. If you have made it this far of the video, thank you very much, and please do remember to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for notifications, and also share the video so we can help others out. Comment down below if you have experienced stuff like this, and I'll be sure to check them out. This has been Cali TV. See you on our next episode.